The is operator is used to check whether a value is compatible with a specified type. It returns true if the value belongs to the specified type or can be safely treated as that type. If the value does not match the type, the result is false. The operator also supports pattern matching, which allows a value to be checked and assigned to a variable in a single step. If the value matches the specified type, a new variable of that type is created and can be used immediately within the same block of code. This reduces the need for separate casting. You can use the isNot form to check whether a value does not belong to a specific type. This is helpful when certain operations should be skipped or handled differently for that type. Note that pattern matching is not used with isNot, only the type check is performed.